Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, we're talking about how small businesses can use AI to predict demand and manage inventory. If you've ever struggled with overstocking or running out of products at the worst times, this lesson is for you. Let's jump right to it. Start by analyzing past sales data. Ask ChatGPT something like, how do I use historical sales data to forecast demand for my inventory? ChatGPT will walk you through the key insights to look for, like high demand products, seasonal spikes, and purchase patterns. AI tools like Google Analytics can help you visualize these trends, showing when demand peaks and which items sell best during certain seasons. By recognizing patterns, you can start preparing inventory levels in advance. For step 2, let's use an AI-powered tool to predict upcoming demand. AI tools like Zoho Inventory and QuickBooks Commerce analyze your historical data to provide a demand forecast. They factor in seasonal trends, sales patterns, and even holidays to estimate how much of each product you'll need. With these insights, you can adjust your inventory orders to match anticipated demand, minimizing both overstock and stockouts. It's data-driven inventory planning made simple. Moving to step 3, let's use the prompt, how do I set up reorder alerts for inventory management? Ask ChatGPT how to set up automatic reorder alerts. Many AI tools, including Zoho Inventory, allows you to set reorder points for each product. When stock falls below a certain level, you'll receive a notification helping you restock in time to meet demand. This feature ensures that popular products are always available, reducing the risk of missed sales from stockouts. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your inventory balanced. Finally, for step 4, AI allows you to make adjustments in real time. By monitoring sales data as it happens, you can respond quickly if demand is higher or lower than expected. For example, if you see a sudden spike in demand for a product, you can place an order right away to prevent running out. This level of flexibility means you're always prepared, even when customer demand changes unexpectedly. And there you have it. AI-powered demand forecasting and inventory management in under 5 minutes. With these tools, you can avoid the headache of overstock and stockouts, keep popular items available, and free up time to focus on growth. If you'd like more guidance on implementing AI for inventory management, schedule a free 15-minute consultation at investinyourself101.com. Let's make sure your shelves are stocked when your customers need you. Follow us for more AI tips and lessons designed to grow your business.